All right. Let me know when the screen is visible. Let me know when the screen is visible. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
चलो,
Yes.
let us begin our lecture. आज के लेक्चर का पहला टॉपिक जो मैं ले रहा हूं वो है मीन डिविएशन। इस टॉपिक को हम पहले कर नहीं चुके हैं, मीन डिविएशन करना है। मीन डिविएशन हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टडी मटेरियल में दो किस्म का दिया हुआ है। पहला है मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम द अरिथमेटिक मीन और दूसरा है मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम द मीडियन। मीडियन के बारे में एक इंपॉर्टेंट थियोरेटिकल एमसीक्यू आपको अभी लिखा दे रहा हूं कि मीडियन इज अ पोजिशनल एवरेज। आपको एक एमसीक्यू आप फेस करेंगे कि मीडियन किस किस्म का एवरेज है, तो मीडियन को आपको याद रखना है कि वो पोजिशनल एवरेज है, क्योंकि मीडियन जो अपने आप में होता है, जो मैंने आपको कल बोला था कि वो एक सेंट्रल मोस्ट टेंडेंसी होती है, सेंट्रल मोस्ट वैल्यू होती है। तो सारे डेटा की जो बीचों बीच की वैल्यू है वो होती है मीडियन। तो मीडियन अपने आप में सब अपने पोजीशन पे डिपेंड करता है। अब मीडियन के अंदर ना दो किस्म के आपको डेटा आएंगे। पहले तो आएगा रॉ डेटा और दूसरा आपको मिलेगा डेटा विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी। जनरली डेटा विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐसा उसे लिखना नहीं चाहिए, उसे ग्रुप्ड डेटा लिखना चाहिए, लेकिन मैं ऐसे कोई टर्म्स यूज नहीं करना चाहता जो बाद में आपको कंफ्यूजन पड़े। क्वेश्चन में फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा तो आपको याद आएगा कि ये क्वेश्चन इज डेटा विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी। यदि फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं होगी, सिर्फ रॉ नंबर्स लिखे होंगे, तो आपको याद आएगा कि ये रॉ डेटा वाला क्वेश्चन। रॉ डेटा में अपने को कैसे इसको कैलकुलेट करना है, हमको लेना है समेशन इन द मॉड्यूलस साइन x minus median divided by n. What is this? This is mean deviation from the median. What is this? Mean deviation from the median. और जहां पर भी डेटा विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा हम लेंगे समेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x माइनस me the whole upon n. The whole upon n. This is data with frequency and raw data. अब आपको सबसे पहले एक क्विक रिकॉल करना है ऑफ हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मीडियन। मीडियन के बारे में क्या याद रखना है, कभी भी मीडियन आएगा आपके सामने तो इट इज द सेंट्रल मोस्ट वैल्यू, इट इज अ पोजिशनल एवरेज। तो चलिए, आपको ये डेटा दिया गया है 82, 56, 75, 70, 52, 80 एंड 68। ये डेटा आपको दिया गया। तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल अरेंज द डेटा इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। तो कीजिए पहले इसे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज। सबसे पहले आएगा 52, फिर आएगा 56, फिर आपका आएगा यू विल हैव 68, फिर आएगा 70, फिर 70 के बाद आपका आएगा 75, 75 के बाद आएगा 80, 80 के बाद आएगा 82। अब इसमें इसमें यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एलिमिनेटिंग द वैल्यूज। सबसे पहले गिनिए कि नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज आपके कितने हैं। नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। 7 बोलेगा तो ऑड नंबर हो गया। तो ये सिंपल एलिमिनेशन से आपका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा। स्टार्ट एलिमिनेटिंग द मोस्ट एक्सट्रीम वैल्यूज। आपको क्या मिल गया, 70 मिल गया। 70 आपके लिए क्या है, 70 आपका मीडियन बन गया। अब रॉ डेटा के फॉर्मूला को नजदीक से देखें तो यहां पे लिखा गया है x माइनस एम। तो सारे x वैल्यूज को, सॉरी चेंज द इंक का, सारे x वैल्यूज को पहले आप लिस्ट डाउन करिए। चलिए, क्या क्या है आपके पास, यू हैव 52, you have 56, you have 68, you have 70, you have 75, you have 80 and you have 82। अब मॉड्यूलस साइन में लिखिए x माइनस एम ई। तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि आप मॉड्यूलस में लिखेंगे 52 माइनस 70। इसका आंसर कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं आ सकता, क्योंकि मॉड्यूलस साइन जो होती है, जो आप दो डंडे निकालते हो साइड में ड्रॉ करते हो, ये किसी भी नेगेटिव वैल्यू को पॉजिटिव में चेंज कर देते हैं। तो इसका आंसर भले -18 हो, लेकिन मॉड्यूलस विच ऑटोमेटिकली मेक्स अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आपको वैल्यू देगा 18 की। क्या वैल्यू देगा आपको? 18 की आपको वैल्यू देगा। फिर 56 माइनस 70, व्हाट विल यू गेट? यू विल गेट 14। 68 minus 70 minus 2 in modulus, it is plus 2. 70 minus 70, it is 0. 75 minus 70, it will give you the value 5. 80 minus 70 will give you the value 10. And 82 minus 70 will give you the value 12. आपको लेना है इस सब का टोटल, which is summation of x minus me, x minus me in modulus. Your answer will be 61. मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम मीडियन, यहां पे लिखता हूं मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम मीडियन। इसे लिखने का शॉर्ट फॉर्म मैं यूज करूंगा md फ्रॉम me इज इक्वल टू दिस पर्टिकुलर समेशन ऑफ x माइनस मीडियन इन मॉड्यूलस अपॉन n। पर्पसली मैं उसे वापस लिख रहा हूं ताकि वो फॉर्मूला आपके मन पे हिट करता रहे। So what will you have here? 61 upon 7. Your answer will be 8.7143. देखिए, it is not just the calculation of the mean deviation from median. जब भी आप mean deviation from median कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इसमें एक और एडिशनल वैल्यू आती है जो कहलाएगी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम ME। ये वैल्यू का आंसर है, इस वैल्यू का आंसर है मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम ME अपॉन अपॉन ME माने मीडियन इंटू 100। सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? इट इज 8.7143 divided by 70 into 100, and the answer comes to 12.45. What is your answer? Your answer is 12.45. So इस पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड में हमने क्या कवर किया? इन दिस स्पेसिफिक स्लाइड we have covered the concept of mean deviation from median and its coefficient using raw data. Using what data? Raw data. This is what we have covered in this particular slide. This is your first screenshot of the day. This is your first screenshot of the day. Please take this screenshot. Very, very vitally important concept. Very, very vitally important concept. Let me know when screenshot taken. Let me know when screenshot taken. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead to our next set of info that we have to learn. Now, what have we touched upon? We have touched upon raw data. So obviously, next one we'll touch upon data with frequency. Screenshot is taken. Now we go to mean deviation from median using, of course, grouped data. मैं लिख रहा हूं यहाँ पे grouped data. Don't worry about it. लेकिन यहाँ पे अंदर लिख रहा हूं data with frequency. तो चलिए, let us take a look. मैं आपको कुछ क्लासेस का इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूं. दिस इज अ वेट क्लास. दिस इज अ weight class. So the weight classes are 40 kgs to 50 kgs. One second, let me just write it properly. This is 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Next, we take frequency. Frequency is 8, 12, 20, and 10. Keep one thing in mind. ME median is the n upon tooth value of the data. N upon tooth value of the data. And whenever we have median calculation, we have to use less than cumulative frequency. So let us have cumulative frequency over here 8, 20, 50 and 60. Does everybody understand this? Yes or no? Yes or no? What will this be? 8,
Yes.
20,
सर 40 आएगा.
सर
40 आएगा, 40 आएगा. Sorry. 8, 20, 40 and 50. वेरी गुड. चौकन्ने रहिए, सतर्क रहिए. जुर्म दस्तक दे रहा है, क्राइम पेट्रोल देखना भूलिएगा मत. लेक्चर छोड़ के क्राइम पेट्रोल देखो. ठीक है, मजाक कर रहा हूं. सो 50. अब ME is equal to n by 2th value, which is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25th value. What is it? It is the 25th value. Now look over here, 25 कहाँ पे पड़ेगा? Between 20 and 40. ये लिखने की या ये अपने माइंड में फॉर्मुलेट करने की आदत बना लीजिए. इसमें क्या हो जाता है, मुझे जो यूज करना है डेटा ना, वो उसमें आ जाता है. इस क्लास का मुझे क्या लेना है? अपर, विच इज 60. सो व्हाट इज माय मीडियन? इक्वल टू 60 प्लस 25 minus 20 upon 40 minus 20 multiplied by what is the class length, that is 10. So here what will my answer come? It will come 62.50 kg. My dear students, what is this? This is your ME, this is your median. लेकिन कैलकुलेशन इतने पे खत्म नहीं होती. कैलकुलेशन इतने पे खत्म नहीं होती. मैं फिर से आपके लिए ये डेटा रिक्रिएट करता हूं. वेट 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. पर अब मैं यहां पे आपके लिए क्रिएट करूंगा क्लास मार्क. सवाल उठता है क्यों क्लास मार्क? क्यों? देखिए और समझिए. जब हमने किया है MD फ्रॉम ME फॉर ग्रुप्ड डेटा, हमारा फॉर्मूला है समेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x माइनस मीडियन अपॉन n. x होना जरूरी है, इसीलिए क्लास मार्क हमें x की वैल्यू देता है. क्लास मार्क को कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? अपर लिमिट प्लस लोअर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 40 प्लस 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, which is equal to 90 divided by 2, which is equal to 45, 55, 65 and 75. Now we have to take x minus ME. So what are we looking at over here? Let me just give the modulus sign everywhere. We are looking at 45 minus 62.5. We are looking at 55 minus 62.5. We are looking at 65 minus 62.5. We are looking at 75 minus 62.5. So here we are looking at 17.5. Then we are looking at 7.5. Then we are looking at 2.5, and then we are looking at 12.5. This is your x minus ME. What is the next column? F into x minus ME. So we need to list down your F. Your frequencies are given to you as 8, 20. Sorry. I have गलती से written less than cumulative. वो नहीं होगा. आपके actual frequencies आएंगे 8, 12, 20 and 10. So we are looking at 17.5 multiplied by 8, 140. 7.5 multiplied by 12, that is 90. 2.5 multiplied by 20, which is 50. And this will become 125. The total of this comes to 405. And the total of your frequency column, as you are aware, comes to 50. So I'll write down over here, total of frequency column is 50. Now you need to understand that whenever you are given frequency, n is equal to summation f, which is equal to 50. So what is your mean deviation from median equal to? It is equal to summation of frequency multiplied by x minus median, the whole upon n, which is equal to 405 divided by 50, which is how much? 405 divided by 50. And your answer over here will be 405 divided by 50, It comes to how much? 8.1. It comes to how much? 8.1. Now, can I calculate coefficient of mean deviation from median? Yes, I can. I need MD from median divided by median multiplied by 100. So, which is equal to 8.1 divided by, what is your median? You have calculated your median to be 62.5. Multiply this by 100 and your coefficient of mean deviation, your answer will come 8.1 divided by 62.5 percentage, it is 12.96. What is your answer? The answer is 12.96. An important concept, an important question, quite important. Please ensure that screenshot is taken. So what have we done in this particular slide? This is what we have discussed for this particular slide. So your mean deviation from median using grouped data has been taken care of over here. Are we clear about this, ladies and gentlemen? क्या ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? कोई भी ऐसा है जिसे डाउट है तो प्लीज बेझिझक पूछें. राहिला, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? ग्लेनेस,
Yes,
समझ में आ रहा है?
sir.
Anybody else? 31, 20, शिवम,
Yes, sir.
नितिशाम,
Yes, sir.
समीर, अरुल, आपको सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
अरुल, समीर,
yes,
धीरज
sir.
को ढूंढो. अरुल, समीर, धीरज को ढूंढो यार. और तुम लोग
Yes, sir.
इस टाइम पे आया करो. तुम लोग के लिए मेरे को एक ऐसा मैसेंजर भेजना पड़ता है. तुम लोग मेरे एकदम टेंशन दे देते हो, आते नहीं हो टाइम पे. वैसे मत करो. अरुल, समीर, धीरज को ढूंढो. कहाँ चला गया बेचारा? चलो, ये हो गया, ये हो गया. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. यस और नो? यस.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया. चलिए अब आगे चलते. अब आगे चलते हैं. देखिए, ये स्टेटिस्टिक्स की मजेदार बात यह है ना कि इसमें आपको थियरी भी है. तो थोड़े थियरी पॉइंट्स भी अपने को नोट डाउन करने ही पड़ेंगे. क्यों? ये थियरी पॉइंट से क्या होगा ना, आपको एक जगह पे कॉन्सेप्ट की थियरी मिल जाएगी. सबसे पहला थियरी पॉइंट, अब मैंने ये नोट्स बनाए हैं, वो मैं आपको आई विल स्टार्ट शेयरिंग. फर्स्ट वन, मीन डिविएशन इज बेस्ड ऑन ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस. Full stop. However, partition values, I will not use the word partition values. I will say, however, quartiles do not cover full data. Hence, mean deviation may be considered to be better than quartile deviation. ऐसे सारे एमसीक्यूज में आने वाले सवाल है, इसलिए. नेक्स्ट, मीन डिविएशन इज द अरिथमेटिक मीन of absolute deviations of the observations from an appropriate measure of central tendencies. What are the central tendencies? There are three central tendencies: mean, median, and mode. Third point, mean deviation takes minimum values when deviations are taken from the median. Fourth, mean deviation is unchanged ड्यू टू चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन। फिफ्थ, मीन डिविएशन changes in same ratio due to change in scale, but this change is negligible, and hence we say that mean deviation is not impacted by change in scale or origin. Sixth, I have already written it, but I am writing it again. Mean deviation is based on absolute deviation. These are all theory MCQs. Number 7, last one. Number 7, last one. This particular point, which particular point? Your third point. There is a way to reword this. How do you reword this point? You reword this as deviations are minimum when taken from median. Now, very important. Next, what I'm going to do. Absolute deviations. This particular point, this particular question came to your examinations in November 2020. Next, point number 3 came to your examinations in December 2017. Reworded came to your examinations in November 2019. So this is where these particular questions have kept coming in your examinations. And as you will notice, November 19, November 20, 2 December attempts, there are theoretical questions that have come. So for the final December attempt, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं, मतलब मेरा माइंड, मेरा एनालिसिस, मेरा एनालिटिक्स मुझे ये कहता है कहीं ना कहीं थियरी क्वेश्चंस में मीन डिविएशन का एक क्वेश्चन आने की गुंजाइश है। मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा ये अगर नहीं आएगा तो मैं अपने मूछे मुंडवा लूंगा, सिर मुंडवा, कुछ नहीं, फालतूगिरी नहीं कहता मैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आने के चांसेस भले भाते हैं, क्योंकि ये पिछले 2 अटेम्प्ट से आ रहा है और इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर पे थियरी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, और इसकी अगर थियरी आप इंस्टीट्यूट के मॉड्यूल से समराइज करें तो काफी सारी रिच थियरी इसमें है जिसके सवाल आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो प्लीज इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। है थियरी पॉइंट्स फॉर मीन डिविएशन, फॉर मीन डिविएशन बेसिकली ये थियरी पॉइंट्स फॉर मीन डिविएशन, आपको ये थियरी पॉइंट्स को कंसिडर करना है। अभी तक मीन डिविएशन खत्म नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम मीडियन ये कॉन्सेप्ट को उड़ा दिया, तो उसके बारे में सारे मैंने आपको लिखा है। अब आगे और प्रैक्टिस करनी है, आगे इसमें समय लगेगा, वो टाइम अभी अपने को इसमें डलवाना है। प्लीज इसे कॉपी कीजिए, मतलब स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। Assuming screenshot is taken, let's go ahead. Next. Mean deviation about arithmetic mean. आपको याद दिला दूं, मीन डिविएशन किसका किसका है? फ्रॉम अरिथमेटिक मीन एंड फ्रॉम मीडियन। इसके 2 वैरायटीज, रॉ डेटा मीन्स नो फ्रीक्वेंसी, और ग्रुप्ड डेटा एंड डेटा विद फ्रीक्वेंसी। सिमिलरली अरिथमेटिक मीन में भी ये दोनों कैटेगराइजेशन आएंगे, रॉ डेटा एंड डेटा विद फ्रीक्वेंसी। अब याद रखिएगा, मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम मीडियन का फॉर्मूला क्या था? मीन डिविएशन फॉर मीडियन में हमने किया x माइनस एम ई मॉड्यूलस में डाल दिया, और हमने इसको भी मॉड्यूलस में डाल दिया। डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट? it was divided by n, it was divided by n. Similarly arithmetic mean के केस में भी हम क्या करेंगे? समेशन ऑफ x माइनस x बार, या फिर जिधर भी हमारे पास फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, जिधर भी हमारे पास फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वो होगा समेशन ऑफ x माइनस x बार, और यहाँ पे हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी को लेना है। इसको दूसरी जगह पे यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ। मीन डिविएशन अबाउट अरिथमेटिक मीन, दो फॉर्मूले याद रखने के लिए। पहला फॉर्मूला समेशन ऑफ मॉड्यूलस x माइनस x बार द होल अपॉन n। दूसरा समेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ x माइनस x बार द होल अपॉन समेशन f। समेशन f इज नथिंग बट n एंड n इज नथिंग बट समेशन f। तो ये यहाँ पे लिस्ट करना जरूरी। अब आपको डेटा देता हूं x 1 3 5 7 9। फ्रीक्वेंसी का डेटा आपको देता हूं, इट इज 5 8 9 2 1। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप ये कैलकुलेशन, उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप ये वाला कैलकुलेशन फॉर रॉ डेटा अपने आप अभी करके मुझे दिखाएंगे। मीन डिविएशन अबाउट अरिथमेटिक मीन एंड वी आर डीलिंग विथ रॉ डेटा। दिस इज द स्लाइड, वी आर डीलिंग विथ रॉ डेटा। तो चलिए शुरू कीजिए, आपको दे रहा हूं 2 मिनट। आपको कैलकुलेट करना है ऑब्वियसली मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम अरिथमेटिक मीन, और आपको उसके बाद कैलकुलेट करना है कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मीन डिविएशन फ्रॉम अरिथमेटिक मीन। चलिए 2 मिनट लीजिए और प्लीज इसे कैलकुलेट कीजिए। तो चलिए अभी तक आप ये बात आइडेंटिफाई कर चुके होंगे कि अगर मुझे मीन कैलकुलेट करना है और मेरे पास फ्रीक्वेंसी दी गई है तो इसका आंसर होगा समेशन एफ एक्स अपॉन समेशन एफ। ये तो आप जानते हो, बेहद सिंपल डेटा। तो यहाँ पे एफ एक्स आएगा 1 इंटू 5 5, 8 इंटू 3 24, 9 इंटू 5 45, 7 इंटू 2 14 एंड 9 इंटू 1 9। इसका टोटल 5 24 45 14 एंड 9 इट इज 97। फ्रीक्वेंसी की टोटल 25। तो आपका x बार is 97 divided by 25 which is 3.88। तुरंत मैं यहाँ पे इन द मॉड्यूलस x माइनस x बार बना दूंगा। तो व्हाट इज इट? इट इज इन द मॉड्यूलस। नाउ व्हाट इज योर x? x is clearly seen over here, so it is 1 minus 3.88। second it is 3 minus 3.88। next it is 5 minus 3.88। next it is 7 minus 3.88। next it is 9 minus 3.88। all are in modulus signs, so 2.88, 0.88, 1.12, 3.12 and 5.12। now frequency multiplied by x minus x bar under the modulus sign. So what are we going to multiply? We are going to multiply these two values now. So it is 2.88 multiplied by 5, 14.4. 8 multiplied by 0.88, 7.04. Next, it is 9 multiplied by 1.12, it is 10.08. Next, it is 2 multiplied by 3.12, which is 6.24. And next, it is 1 multiplied by 5.12, which is 5.12. The total of this, if I'm not mistaken, is 42.88. Now, mean deviation from mean is equal to summation of frequency x minus x bar upon summation f, which is equal to 42.88 divided by, what is the summation f? summation f, if I'm not mistaken, is 25. What is your answer? Your answer will come 1.7152. Coefficient of mean deviation from arithmetic mean, instead of the word x bar, you will write arithmetic mean over here, is equal to MD from AM divided by AM into 100, which is 1.7152 divided by arithmetic mean. What is your arithmetic mean? Your answer for arithmetic mean is 3.88 into 100. This will give you the value 44.2062. This is your coefficient of MD from arithmetic mean. Please take a screenshot of this. This is not raw data. This is data with frequency, by the way. This is data with frequency. उम्मीद करता हूँ सबको समझ में आया होगा. Everybody
Yes,
understanding?
sir.
Komal,
Yes, sir.
Etisham,
Yes, sir.
Nali,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Rahila,
Yes, sir.
Alia, Samir,
Yes, sir.
Shivam, Arul, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Right? Arul, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough. Screenshot taken? Super. Let's go to the next concept. Our next concept here. I would prefer that you do a question where you all can do the calculation. एक बार खुद से calculation करोगे दोनों का, कि नया concept लो कि एक practice कराऊं?
Sir, it's a practice.
एक practice करवाता हूं. चलिए, रिवीजन भी हो जाएगी. आपको डेटा देता हूं अपने हिसाब से. So you have your classes 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40 to 50, and 60 to 70. Frequency 20, 10, 15. So this is right. Calculate number 1. Mean deviation from arithmetic mean and median. Second, coefficient of mean deviation from arithmetic mean and median. I believe this much data is sufficient to carry on these calculations. Take 5 minutes and do the entire calculation on your own. right? So what is the first thing that you will do? If you ask me, the first thing that you should do is you should make over here a cumulative frequency table. 20, 30, 35, 40. Is it correct? 20, 30, 30 plus 15. I'm sorry.
45.
45, 45, 50, 80, and 100. Now make a X column over here. So this will be 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and 65. First, go for summation fx. You want me to write over here like this A, B, C, D. So if you want like that, then this will be B multiplied by D, fx. Frequency multiplied by this. So this will be 300, 250. So it is 15 multiplied by 35. What is your answer? 525. 5 multiplied by 45. What is the answer? 225. 30 multiplied by 55. What is the answer? 30 multiplied by 55, 1650. And it is next 20 multiplied by 65. So this is 1300. Now, summation fx. What is summation fx? 300 plus 250 plus 525 plus 225 plus 1650 plus 1300. What is your answer?
4,250.
Summation f is equal to 100. X bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f, which is 4250 divided by 100, which is equal to 42.50. The first value can I take into modulus sign x minus x bar, and I'll start calculating MD from arithmetic mean. So here I will put modulus signs for everything. I'll put modulus signs for everything. So the first one will be x is 15, second it is 25, third it is 35, next it is 45, next it is 55, next it is 60. Minus 42.5, 42.5, 42.5, 42.5, 42.5, 42.5. If anybody has calculated, please unmute and dictate me the values if you are correct. What will happen is I will be able to do it faster. Now I'll have to sit and calculate while you all are just looking at the screen. Make yourself productive. 15 minus 42.5, which is 27.5.
17.5.
17.5. Chalo, come on. Prompt. Give me answers.
7.5.
Very good.
2.5.
Very good.
12.5.
12.5.
Very good.
22.5.
22.5.
How much this is? 22.5. Now next what I'll take f into x minus x bar. Now what am I multiplying here? So see over here what I have done is I have taken your column number. I have taken your column number D, and from that I have subtracted your x bar. So now it is f, that is your which column? F is your B column. F is your B column multiplied by your D, your A, B, C, D, E, F. This is your F column, right? Now come on. X minus X bar multiplied by the frequency. So we are looking at 27.5 multiplied by 20. How much? 550.
550.
Next we are looking at 10 multiplied by 17.5, 175. 15 multiplied by 7.5. How much?
112.5.
Very good. Next 5 multiplied by 2.5.
12.5.
Very good. 30 multiplied
375.
30 multiplied by 12.5. 375. Fantastic. Come on, very good. Give me the
450.
how much?
450.
450 is correct. Give me the totals.
1675.
1675.
1675.
1675 or 1575?
1675.
75.
1
675.
6 7 1675. Very good. Very good. Can I calculate mean deviation from arithmetic mean? What is the formula? Summation f into bracket x minus x bar. Sorry, I'll write it again a little neatly. Summation of f into bracket x minus x bar upon n. N, as you are aware, is equal to summation f, which is equal to 100. What will this be? 1675 divided by 100. What is your answer? 16.75. Can I calculate coefficient of mean deviation from arithmetic mean? What is the answer? The answer is mean deviation from arithmetic mean divided by arithmetic mean into 100. What is the answer? 16.75 divided by, what is your arithmetic mean? 42.5 multiplied by 100. So 16.75 divided by
39.41.
how much?
39.41.
39.4. Just a second. Let me just check. Your answer is 39.411, correct?
Sir.
41. Very good, Manal. Good answer. So do you everybody agree with this as 39.41? Does everybody agree with this? 39.41, 16.75?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Go ahead. Now start doing median. Now over here, let's do median. What is median? Median is equal to n by 2th value. What is median? Median is equal to n by 2th value. What is n? N is equal to 100. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. This is what? The 50th value. My dear friends, life is good and life is simple. Why? In cumulative frequency, I can see the number 50. Yes or no? I can see the number 50. So if I can see the number 50, my answer will be 50 only. Why, Pushkar? Why like this? Common sense. You can see the answer 50. So 50 lies in this group between these two. So you will go for this. What will it be? It will be 50 plus. So 50 lies between what? 50. Don't get scared. It is less than or equal to. So equal to is there. On top, I will write 50 minus 50. So over here only this is become 0. So this whole thing, if I multiply by anything, it will stay 0 only. So what will the answer be? The answer will be in itself 50. The answer will be in itself 50. And this is equal to 50. So what is my median? My median is 50. I hope that is clear for everybody. So now what will I do? X minus median. This is my modulus sign. One big bloody modulus sign. Right? Now what is your X? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, minus 50, minus 50. If you all have not calculated, please calculate. If you have calculated, give me the answer. 35,
35, 25,
15,
15,
5,
5,
5,
15.
50. Frequency multiplied by x minus me. Frequency is already
700.
circled. So 700 is the right answer. 50. 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. 5
25,
multiplied by 5 is 25.
15,
30 multiplied by 5 is how much?
15.
150. And 20 multiplied by 15 is 300. Do you agree with these values or is there any error? Let us check. 30 here and 5 here, 150. 5 here and 5 here, 20 here and 15 here. Chalo, fair enough. Sample check is fine. Let's take a total. 700 plus 250 plus 225 plus 25 plus 150 plus 300. What is your answer? 1650. Now, MD from ME is equal to summation F into modulus sign X minus ME, the whole upon summation F. 1650 divided by how much? 100, correct? This is how much? 16.50. Coefficient of mean deviation from median. What is your answer? Mean deviation from median divided by median multiplied by 100. So this will be 16.50 divided by 50 multiplied by 100. So your answer will be 33. What is your answer? 33. Yes or no, ladies and gentlemen? Are we done with this? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
1650 and 33. So can I say that mean deviation from mean and mean deviation from median along with both the coefficients has been covered in our classes? Yes or no? Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, okay. Now we are going to study now some qualities of standard deviation. What are we going to do? We are going to study some qualities of standard deviation. So focus points, and we can say important questions for standard deviation and variance. First, we will do an important question. It is based on coefficient of variation. My dear friends, do we know the formula of coefficient of variation? If we do, can somebody be kind enough to tell me? Is it this? Is it this? Yes or no? Yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is lower the better, as it signifies a lesser variation. Are we clear about this? Yes or no? Please tell me that. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now, just hold on for 1 second. Let me see if I have what I want over here. I would like to believe it is there. Please take, I don't think you need to take a screenshot of any of this. You know this, so I'm just rubbing this off. But here, I have found what I want. Let us begin. The question visible to everybody? Question visible to everybody? This is the question we are going to do
Yes,
today.
sir.
Yes,
You are
sir.
given the distribution of wages in two factories, A and B. Wages in rupees, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Does this very, very clearly become your class? Does this become your class?
Yes,
Agreed or
sir.
disagreed? This is your class. Next, number of workers in A. What we are actually doing is, we are giving you a frequency of A. Number of workers in A. This is a frequency of A. What is this? This is a frequency of A, and this is a frequency of B. Then what is A and B? My dear friends, A and B will be the class mark. This is the class mark. So your mid value or your class mark, let's call this class mark. is actually the A or B value. So here it will be 150, 250, 350, 450, 550 and 650. Now here, this is frequency of A. Let's just write it a little differently. This is your frequency of A and this is your frequency of B. What is the frequency of A? 8, 12, 17, 10. 8, 12, 17, 10, 2, 1. Now B it is 6, 18, 25, 12, 2 and 2. My dear friends, on the basis of this, if I ask you to calculate standard deviation, if I ask you to calculate standard deviation and arithmetic mean for both the data, so I give you 5 minutes to do it, will you or will you not be in the position to do the same? Please tell me that. Will you or will you not be in the position to do it? You can do it? You can do it?
Yes, sir.
Please take 5 minutes.
Yes.
Show me the calculation. Please take 5 minutes. Show me the calculation. When you are going to watch this video today, there are some points that you can fast forward. This is one of them. So this video has not been kept for general viewing of people. It will be public, no doubt about it. It is kept so that you are able to get your revision done. Right, guys? Okay. So the current score of India is 90-2. Rohit Sharma is playing at 52. Virat Kohli got out for 3 runs. Shubman Gill got out for 19 runs. So Virat Kohli has scored a century yesterday. 7 to 10 matches he can sit now quietly. Doesn't have to play for India. Okay. Rohit Sharma has scored 2 consecutive half centuries. So he must be getting a consciousness because Virat Kohli scored a century. So today he has to score a century. So that's very important. Right. Ishan Kishan has come to bat. So we are 90-2 in 13 and a half overs. After Ishan Kishan in the batting lineup is Sunil Shetty's son-in-law KL Rahul. I wanted to say Sunil Shetty's son-in-law purposely. Then we have shameless Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja. Then we have Akshar Patel, who has been included in the team. Then we have Kuldeep Yadav. Then we have Jasprit Bumrah and my personal favorite Indian fast bowler Mohammad Siraj. This was free commentary from Apex Academics for you while you are studying to keep you entertained. Right?
Career in sports are commentary.
Sorry?
Career in sports.
I wanted to make a
Doesn't
career in
work.
sports. I wanted to make a career in sports commentating. I thought I would do it. Somewhere I thought I would do it. But to become a commentator, you have to have played for international cricket. Otherwise, they don't take you. Harsha Bhogle ek hi bana tha. Without playing at international level, he came in. But Harsha Bhogle, if you know, has played Ranji Trophy cricket for Hyderabad. He's also a cricketer actually. I can do Hindi commentary also, you know, like they do it on All India Radio. विराट कोहली बड़े मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी, फ्रंट फुट पर आते हुए गेंद को कस के ताना, गेंद बड़ी तेज गति से सीमा रेखा के पार, चौका रजिस्टर हुआ, भारत को 4 रन. That's how they say it, you know. That's how they do it. I don't know if you agree, but that's how Hindi commentary on radio is. Right? Okay. Having said that, let's go ahead. Now. You have got F and you have got X. So can I do over here? AF 15 into 8, right? 15 into 8. 15 8s are 120, 150, 1200. 250 multiplied by 12. Can I take it as 3000? 350 multiplied by 17. Can I take it as 8228? 350 multiplied by 17. Oh, no. It is 5950. I beg pardon. It's 5950. Next. 4500 multiplied, 4450 multiplied by 10, 4500. 550 multiplied by 2, 1100. 650 multiplied by 1, 650. What is the total of this column?
16400.
Very good. Frequency of A. What is the total of this column? 50. Right? So can I calculate A bar? A bar is equal to summation FA upon summation F, which is equal to summation F, 16,400 divided by 50. What is your answer? Your answer is
328.
328. 328. 16,400 divided by 50. Answer is 328. Now, there is a simple way of calculating standard deviation. How to calculate standard deviation? There are two ways of calculating standard deviation. Summation x square upon n minus x bar the whole square under the root. Otherwise, you can calculate it like this also. Under the root summation x minus x bar the whole square multiplied by f. Now here, of course, it will be fx square the whole upon n. The whole upon n. You can go by either which method. So which method will you choose to go for? I think this looks simpler, right? The first one. Guys, responses, how are you going?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
First one.
First one looks simpler. All in favor of the first one?
Yes. Yes, sir.
All in favor of the first one? Okay. So what do I need for the first one? I need f into x square. What do I need? I need f into x square. So I need to multiply 8 by the square of 150. I need f into a square, right? So what do I need? I need 8 multiplied by the square of 150. So 150 into equal to into 8. What do I get? 1,80,000, correct? Are you with me on that?
Yes, sir.
Next, 250
Yes, sir.
into equal to into 12. I get 7,50,000. Are you with me on that?
Yes, sir.
Next, 350 into equal to into 17. I get how much? 20,82,500, correct? Next, 450 into equal to into 10. I get how much? 20,25,000. Next, 550 into equal to into 2. I get how much? 6,05,000. Next, 650 into equal to, which is 4,22,500. 650 into equal to 4,22,500 multiplied by 1 is 4,22,500. What is summation of FA square? This huge thing. 1,80,000 plus 7,50,000 plus 20 lakh.
तो श्रीलंका के सामने हगेंगे ना इन लोग, जरूरी है वो.
Sorry. Which is 60,65,000. Does everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
60 lakh 65,000. Sigma A is equal to under the root 60 lakh 65,000 divided by n. What is n? N is summation A, which is 50. Correct? Minus what is the square of x bar? So this divided by 50, right? So 328 into equal to. So I'm left with square root of 13716. I take this, I will get 117.115. What do I get? I get 117.115. It can also be written as 117.12. Now I have to see which one is less variable. So I need what? Coefficient of variation of A, which is sigma of A divided by of course A bar multiply by 100. So I will take this 117.115 divided by, what is my A bar? Have I calculated A bar? Yes, 328 into 100. What is my answer? What is my answer? So 117.115
35.7.
divided by 328 percentage, 35.7, correct?
Yes, sir.
705. I'll write like this. Are we ready to do? Are we ready to do the next one? Are we ready to do the next one? How do we do the
Yes,
next one?
sir.
We have to do B multiplied by F. You have to do B multiplied by F. So this is your B. This is your here. So 150 into 6, 900. 250 into 18. How much? 4,000.
500.
I'm sorry.
4500.
Very good. Next, tell me. Go on, tell me. 350.
8750.
8750. Come on. Only the
5
girls are
4
answering.
double
Boys,
zero.
what is it?
5400.
450. Come on, come on. Fight amongst each other. Tell me the answer.
1100.
Sorry, how much?
1100.
1100.
1300. 2194950. 21950.
Very good. Very good. Summation F is how much? Of this now you have to take.
337.69.
Okay. 24 plus 25, 29, 41, 43, 45. Is it 45?
65.
Yes or no? Is it correct? 45 or no?
65 is sir.
6 plus 8 plus, sorry, 6 plus 18 plus 25 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2. It is 65. It is how much? This 65. Divide this by 65. What is your answer? 21950 divided by 65. 337.69.
Yes, sir.
Somebody had given this answer. Very
Yes,
good on
sir.
their part. Very good.
Namibia.
Whoever gave. Very nice. Next, what will I take? You tell me what I should take now. What I should take now? I have to take straight away frequency multiplied by B square. What is B square? 150. Multiply that by frequency. So chalo 150 into equal to 6. How much? 1 lakh?
135000.
Very good. 1,35,000. 250 into equal to into 18. 11,25,000. Yes or no? 350
Yes,
into
sir.
equal to into 25. How much? 14,70,000.
Yes, sir.
Next, 450 into equal to into how much? 12. Yes or no? 24,30,000. Are you with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
550 into equal to into how much? 2. 6,05,000.
Yes, sir.
This is 650
Yes, sir.
into equal to, which is 420 to 500 multiply by 2, which is 8,45,000. Take total, please. 8 lakh 45 plus 6 lakh 5 plus 24 lakh 30 plus 14 lakh 70 plus 11 lakh 25 plus 1 lakh 35. What is your answer? 66 lakh 10,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sigma B is equal to 66 lakh 10,000 divided by how much? 65 multiplied by, sorry, minus 337.69 square. Right, guys? Let's see what we get divided by 65. This gives me how much? This much, and 337.69 into equal to minus this much. I am left with 12,342 under the root. Under the root, what do I get? 111.096. Yes or no? 111.096. Sorry?
FB का स्क्वायर
हाँ सर
टोटल अलग है
गलत है
82,02,500
सॉरी
FB का स्क्वायर
कितना है?
FN 82,02,500
सॉरी कितना है बताइए?
82,02,500
500.
हाँ
करण
सर
500 का वैल्यू ही नहीं है इधर किधर. ऐसा कैसे?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगा भाई
मल्टीप्लीकेशन सारे सही है ना?
सर थर्ड वाला 350 इंटू इक्वल टू इंटू 25.
ओ इंटू 25. एक मिनट. 350 इंटू इक्वल टू इंटू 25 कितना है? 3,30,62,500. गलत है ना ये? यस. थैंक यू फॉर पॉइंटिंग इट आउट. बाकी सारे सही है? चेक ऑन कैलसी. बाकी सारे सही है कि नहीं? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन.
यस सर.
Okay. So give me the total. What is the total? ₹82 lakh 2,500. Right answer. Excellent, Karan. Very good. Divided by how much? 65. Minus, right? Under the root, how much? 12,157 now. Is this correct? Yes or no?
yes sir
How much this will be? 110.262. Now is this correct?
yes sir
Covariance of B. What is B bar?
$32.65.
What is the answer?
32.65.
Perfect. Very good. Since coefficient of variation of A is greater than coefficient of variation of B, comma, B is more stable than A. So which factory is more variable? Of course, more variable. A is more variable. Therefore, B is stable compared to A. You will be thinking, why this? My dear friends, this is used for comparing the two stock securities, two stocks. Which share is better than the other? Which share is better than the other? You are able to calculate by using these kind of values. Are you all with me on that? I hope so. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Now, let us talk about something interesting in standard deviation further. Yes. Are we done? Screenshot taken? Important concepts and rules for standard deviation. Standard deviation of first n natural numbers is given by n square minus 1/2. चलिए मई 2018 का एक सवाल देखते हैं. ये आपसे पूछता है व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर्स. मतलब इसमें आपका डेटा है 1 2 3 4 5 डॉट 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 27 28 29 एंड 30. ये इतने वास्ट डेटा रेंज का डेटा एक्सेल पे भी कैलकुलेट करने में. आई एम सॉरी
सर आंसर 8.65 वही होगा.
क्या
8.65 आंसर
नहीं. 8.65 आंसर नहीं. ध्यान दीजिए मैं करवाता हूँ आपसे. डोंट वरी बट गुड यू ट्राइड. इतना वास्ट डेटा अगर आप लेंगे, इतना वास्ट डेटा आप लेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं मुश्किल हो जाएगा. इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर कैलकुलेशन. तो आपको ये फॉर्मूला को अप्लाई करना है. द फर्स्ट हाउ मेनी नेचुरल नंबर्स? द फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर्स. व्हाट इज द one second. I'll just confirm the question again. Your question is just a second. Maybe मैंने question थोड़ा गलत लिखा है. जरा मुझे हाँ. That is why your answer has come that. I'm sorry. मैं question को थोड़ा फिर से formulate करता हूँ समीर. Question ये नहीं है. डेटा यही है. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है? द स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट 30 नेचुरल नंबर्स इज √30. डायरेक्टली आपको ये बोल देते हैं हाउ मच? √30. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n? Here √30, that is the standard deviation of the first n natural numbers. How many natural numbers? 30 natural numbers is equal to, now over here, n square minus 1/12. What is the value of n? We have to calculate n. We have to calculate n. So now what I'll do, I'll take the square on both the sides. Therefore 30 is equal to n square minus 1/12. What is 30 equal to? 30 is equal to n square minus 1/12. 12 I'll take on that side. 360 is equal to n square minus 1. What is 360? It is equal to n square minus 1. 361 is equal to n square. Root of 361 is equal to n. 361 on calculator root
19.
n is equal to 19. Now Samir, thanks to Samir and thanks to my mistake, but more thanks to Samir, we have an extra question. Samir, what was the question I had written earlier? Ha, what is the standard deviation of the first 30 natural numbers? What is the standard deviation of the first 30 natural numbers? If I go by this, standard deviation so 30 square is 900 minus 1 divided by 12. It comes to 74.917. Put it under the root and the answer is 8.65 as Samir has told us accurately. So Samir, feel confident. Do not let your confidence get affected. So standard deviation of the first 30 natural numbers is this. Here in this question, SD was given. What is the difference? Here SD was given. N to be found. Here N is given, comma, SD to be found. I hope you are with me on that. So this is your first question of MCQs for the day. May 2018, it has come for 1 mark. May 2018 is an exam that was on the horizon. Are you all with me? Yes or no? Right.
Sir.
A few people have left the lecture. I am unable to understand why. We are 27. Now for some time we are on a steady 21. You all might feel, अरे आज भी ये मॉड्यूल करवा रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है, मैं मॉड्यूल सिर्फ नहीं करवा रहा हूँ, मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी करवा रहा हूँ. प्लीज उस पर फोकस्ड रहे. चलिए अगला आपको एक मजेदार किस्सा और एक नया इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट बताता हूँ. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया इसका. चलिए, अगेन वी आर डूइंग इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स around standard deviation. What are the important concepts around standard deviation? Now, 4 times of standard deviation is equal to 5 times of mean deviation is equal to 6 times of quartile deviation. Take it as rule of thumb. आप इसको एक थियरम की तरह याद रखेंगे. अब इसके बेसिस पे आपके सामने एक सवाल लाता हूं. और आपका सवाल है व्हाट इज स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन और रादर स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इज डैश टाइम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ मीन डिविएशन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय क्वार्टाइल डिविएशन. ये आपका सवाल है जून 2019 से. तो चलिए ध्यान देते हैं इस कैलकुलेशन की तरफ. हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं कि 4 टाइम्स स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इज इक्वल टू 5 टाइम्स मीन डिविएशन इज इक्वल टू 6 टाइम्स क्वार्टाइल डिविएशन. अब आपका माइंड अप्लाई कीजिए और देखिए कि सॉल्यूशन में क्या है. एमडी इंटू क्यूडी है. अब मुझे किसी तरीके से कोई तो लॉजिक अप्लाई करके मुझे लाना है इन चारों में से एक आंसर जो है चारों में से मुझे एक आंसर लाना है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में मुझे दिखता है एमडी इंटू क्यूडी एक साइड पे एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए. एमडी और क्यूडी एक साइड पे एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए. तो चलिए 4SD इज इक्वल टू 5MD की बात करते हैं. तो ऐसे माहौल में ये मेरा पहला इक्वेशन बन जाता है. ये मेरा क्या बन जाता है? ये मेरा पहला इक्वेशन बन जाता है. अब मेरे दूसरे इक्वेशन की तरफ ध्यान देते. दूसरा इक्वेशन मेरा क्या है? राइट, SD upon QD is how much? 6/4। कोई भी स्टूडेंट मुझसे डाउट पूछेगा कि तूने ऐसे फॉर्मेट में क्यों लिया, व्हाई डिड यू टेक द फॉर्मेट SD/MD एंड व्हाई डिड यू टेक द फॉर्मेट SD/QD? आपके सवाल में आपका जवाब है, आपके सवाल में ही आपका जवाब है। देखें, जब मैं ऐसे करके इसे मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाता है, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन अपॉन MD मल्टीप्लाइड बाय QD इज इक्वल टू समथिंग। तो ये MD मल्टीप्लाई, अभी ये मैं स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन इज इक्वल टू MD मल्टीप्लाइड बाय QD उस तरफ लेके चला जाता हूं। और अगर मुझे इसको स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन एक्सप्रेस करना है, क्योंकि स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन स्क्वायर में नहीं है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे लिए क्या बन जाता है, QD बन जाता है। ये ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा काम यहाँ पे हो गया। तो ये करने के लिए मैंने SD/MD ले लिया। अब आपको ये आपकी माइंड एग्जाम में दौड़ानी है, चलानी है, इसके बेसिस पे आपका गेम चलेगा। तो चलिए ये आपका इक्वेशन 1 है और ये आपका इक्वेशन 2 है। आपको मॉडल सॉल्यूशन में, स्कैनर में, कोई भी पब्लिकेशन का आप ले ले, आप स्कैनर का ले ले, सुचेता प्रकाशन का ले ले, अरे वाला रिलायंस का ले, सुचेता प्रकाशन का ले, कोई दूसरे अगर पब्लिकेशन होंगे, सुल्तान चंद का भी होगा तो सुल्तान चंद का ले ले, जिसका भी आप पब्लिकेशन उठाओ, ICAI का पब्लिकेशन उठाओ, इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। फर्क इस बात से पड़ता है कि आप ये समझो कि ये जादू टोना क्यों किया गया, ये क्यों किया गया, क्योंकि इसको क्वेश्चन के फॉर्मेट में लाना था। और ये आपको एक ही चीज दिला सकती है, वो है मैथमेटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग और प्रैक्टिस। तो चलिए अभी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 को इक्वेशन नंबर 2 के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं। यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा SD/MD बराबर है SD/MD मल्टीप्लाइड बाय SD/QD इज इक्वल टू 5/4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6/4। SD स्क्वायर अपॉन MD इंटू QD is equal to 30/30 4 4 are
16.
16. SD square is equal to 30/16 into MD into QD. Standard deviation is equal to square root of 15 divided by 8 multiplied by MD into QD. अरे कैसे आया, 2 15s are 30, 2 8s are 16. Standard deviation is equal to, the standard deviation is how many times the square root of this. Therefore standard deviation is 15/8 times, 15/8 times the square root of MD and QD. So what is your answer? 15/8. मैं इसे एक इंपॉर्टेंट कैटेगरी मानता हूं, क्योंकि इस इंपॉर्टेंट कैटेगरी में इस रिलेशनशिप को समझ के लेना जरूरी। ये जो जून 2019 का क्वेश्चन, मैं यदि होता तो मैं इस क्वेश्चन को 2 मार्क्स एलोकेट करता। कितने मार्क्स एलोकेट करता मैं इस क्वेश्चन को? 2 मार्क एलोकेट करता। इतना अच्छा ये क्वेश्चन बेसिकली है। आई बात समझ में? लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आर यू विथ मी ऑन दैट? यस और नो, प्लीज टेल मी।
Yes, sir.
Important concepts around standard deviation. Take screenshot, please. Take screenshot, please. Important concepts around standard deviation. Now, just hold on. I made a few charts which I would like to share them with you. First of all, It is not a central tendency. What are your measures of dispersion? Standard deviation. Mean deviation from arithmetic mean, from median, and from mode. Quartile deviation. These are measures of dispersion. What are they? Measures of dispersion. These are not affected by change in scale or origin. This is a very, very important concept. Now, I come to November 2019 questions. November 2019 question reads as follows. The question reads, just a second. Origin is shifted by 5. What will happen? Number A, standard deviation will increase. Number B, quartile deviation will increase by 5. Origin is shifted by 5. What will happen? Quartile deviation will increase by 5. C, mean deviation will increase by 5. Or finally D, there will be no change
No change.
in standard deviation. Your answer is there will be no change in standard deviation. What are we trying to say over there? We have some data. What is the data? 10, 12, 14, 19. I'm giving you same other data. 15, 17, 19 and 24. My dear friends, this data is interrelated. Here, there is a change by 5 everywhere. Look here, 10 plus 5, 15, 12 plus 5, 17, 14 plus 5, 19, this. So, old SD now will it become SD plus 5? The answer is no, never. SD will stay unchanged to any such a change. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me that.
Yes, sir.
Standard deviation. Are you going to be impacted by any change? No, you are not. November 2019. Sir, this is a theory question. Yes, it's a theory question, my dear friends. It is a theory question. Are you understanding? See, I don't care if you feel, sir, the lecture is going slow. आप इतना slow जा रहे हो. Sue me, bite me. I don't care. I don't care. What I care about is slowly but steadily it is getting completed. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Screenshot. Very, very important concept. It is a very, very important concept. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Next, I bring to you a very good question. Now, please pay attention. I'm giving you X data. Calculate standard deviation. Shall we begin? Shall we begin? So what is our first step? What is our first step? Calculate x bar. Correct, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me that. What is step 2?
Yes.
Summation x square upon n. Correct? What is our step 3? Step 3, summation x square upon n minus x bar the whole square under the root is equal to standard deviation. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
This is what we will do.
Yes, sir.
What we will do. All those who agree, please raise your hand. All those who agree, please raise your hand. Very good. Very good. Everyone in favor? Everyone in favor? Okay. Have you started calculating? Guys, have you started the calculations? Okay. Step in this, there is step number 4. Please pay attention. This is the most important step. Are you paying attention? Everybody, please lower your hands.
Yes, sir.
Lower your hands. Step number 4. Step number 4, I will write in Hindi. एक मंगा दे मोमबत्ती, उसको लगा दे मेरे माथे पे और केक समझ के ना मेरी गर्दन काटता है। उसकर ऐसा क्यों? My absent-minded friends, are these not the first 9 natural numbers? Are these not the first 9 natural numbers? Yes or no? Please tell me that. Yes or no? Please
Yes,
tell me
sir.
that. Yes or no?
Yes.
The standard deviation for the first n natural numbers is equal to n square minus 1 upon 12. So for the first 9 natural numbers, it will be what? 9 square minus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 81 minus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 80 divided by 12 under the root. What is your answer? What is your answer?
I wait.
80 divided by 12 under the root. What is the answer? 2 point.
I wait 1988.
Perfect. I think some of you all had started pressing buttons on the calculator also. Yes or no? Yes or no? Some of you started pressing buttons on the calculator also. No. Read the data. Look for trends. I purposely wrote the data like this. What is the question? The question says, what is the standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Just tell me one thing, my dear students. Just tell me one thing, my dear students. If you would have done this by these 3 methods, this is step 1, 2, 3, you would still be calculating. Yes or no? Please tell me that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is over. We have finished the calculation. We have finished the calculation. In this question, in this particular question, you have been given the following as your options. Option number A is 2.58. Option number B is 60 divided by 9. Option number C is 60 divided by 3. Option number is 3.20. What is your answer? 2.58. When did this come? Which attempt am I talking about? This has come in November 2019. This has come in November 2019. Always try to look for a trend. Whenever they are saying calculate SD, First, you will see whether they are consecutive. If the numbers are consecutive, ensure. But first, something natural number. So the first number will always have to be how much in your data? It will always have to be 1. It will always have to be 1. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me that. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screenshot. Next. I'll give you an easy question. To solve. This is again November 2019. Question is,
सर
yes,
सर एक सेकंड प्रीवियस स्क्रीन आप बता सकते हो स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया मैंने
I beg your pardon.
सर प्रीवियस स्क्रीनशॉट लेना नहीं लिया मैंने
This one?
जस्ट होल्ड फॉर 1 सेकंड
Yeah, please. Are you okay? Your throat sounds bad. Are you okay? Arul?
हाँ यस सर आई एम ओके थोड़ा कफ एंड कोल्ड है बस
Why you keep getting cough and cold?
सर आई डोंट नो
Huh?
पता नहीं सर
Do something. See a doctor. Eat vitamins. This is your question. Answer. No absence. Do it on your own. Take 2 minutes. Take a minute, do it on your own. I expect answers to come into the chat screen box. No answers yet? My dear friends,
Sir,
learn to establish
4.47.
relationships. First of all,
4.47.
variance has a relationship with whom? Standard deviation. Why, sir? My dear students, coefficient of variation is what? Sigma upon x bar into 100. Yes or no? Sigma upon x bar into 100. Agreed or disagreed?
Yes, sir.
Variance and standard deviation are related to each other. Standard deviation is the square root of variance. So standard deviation is the square root of 80. Okay. Arithmetic mean is given. Therefore, coefficient of variation is equal to root of 80 upon 200 multiplied by 100. Take 200, press the button M plus. Write the button 80 on calculator, press the under root, you will get 8.9944 divided by MRC, press percentage. Directly, I think you will get 4.47. What is your answer? It is 4.47. I'm not giving you the options also. I'm not interested. I'm not giving you the options also. If you want, you can write down because then in your notebook and all that. What are they? What is your answer? Option number B. Please take a screenshot. Done?
यस डन सर
Very good. Hold on. Next, I take you to November 19 only. I'm going to sit in November 19 for some time. Calculate the median. Calculate the median. Calculate the median. Perfect. 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 Very well done. Your options given in the question are screenshot, please. Screenshot, please. Screenshot, please. What is your answer? What is your answer? This is also, hold on, which attempt? Which attempt? This is attempt. The attempt है भाई. Your 2019 November.
सर वो 8 के बाद क्या नंबर है?
8 के बाद ये is है, is है. What is your answer? Answer. Are we clear about this? Standard deviation is not
sir.
impacted by any change in scale or origin. Therefore, you add or you subtract or you multiply the same number from all the values. Your standard deviation will continue to be the same number. So the new standard deviation will be 2.45, means standard deviation will be unchanged. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, awesome. So we are done with this question. Super. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Just a second. Let me make a track of all the questions completed in my book.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes.
सर आप प्रीवियस स्क्रीन बता सकते हो क्या प्लीज?
मैं आपका सवाल नहीं समझा.
सर प्रीवियस स्क्रीन बताओ, स्क्रीन
प्रीवियस स्क्रीन इससे पहले का.
हाँ
ये वाला ना, ये आ रहा है प्रीवियस में. अरुल, अरुल,
हाँ यस सर, 1 सेकंड. डन सर.
would you like a break for 10 minutes? I don't mind. We've had a 2-hour session. I don't mind giving you a 10 minutes break. We come back for another 2-hour session. Then it will be somewhere around say 5:15 to 7:15. Give you another 10-15 minute break again. And again we come back for another 1.5 hour session. Take a break, 10 to 12 minutes. Would you like that? Do you want that?
Yes.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have paused the recording. We're going into break. Let me know when the screen is visible. Screen visible? Okay.
Visible, sir.
Now, the next concept is that of range. Range helps you to calculate the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value in a given set of data. What does it help you to do? It helps you to calculate a minimum value and a maximum value in a given set of data. Range is equal to maximum minus minimum. Range is equal to what? Maximum minus minimum. So let's take a look at a question from November 2018. The question reads, range is equal to 65. Maximum value is equal to 83. What is minimum value? It's a no-brainer basically. So range is equal to max minus minimum. So 83 minus minimum. Therefore, it is what? 83 minus 65. The minimum value is 18. What is the minimum value? The minimum value for you is 18. Are you with me on that? Everybody, do you understand the concept of range? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, nothing complicated at all in range. Are you with me? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Come on guys, give me a thumbs up if you have understood range. I don't think इसमें कुछ भी complications है. बहुत ही आसान, बहुत ही आसान. चलिए इंस्टीट्यूट के मॉड्यूल की तरफ एक बार चलते हैं. इंस्टीट्यूट की मॉड्यूल की तरफ एक बार आपको ले चलता हूं. इंस्टीट्यूट की मॉड्यूल में आपको रेंज मिलेगा पेज नंबर 14.32 पर इन द मॉड्यूल. ऑन पेज नंबर 14.32 कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज is equal to largest minus smallest upon largest plus smallest into 100. So in your given question, the coefficient of range is equal to what? It is equal to 83 minus 18 upon 83 plus 18 multiplied by 100. So what is your answer? Your answer is 83 plus 18, this is 101, and 83 minus 18 is 65 into 100. Your answer is 65 divided by 100 percentage. Your answer is, 65 divided by 101 percentage. Your answer is 64.3564. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. The concept of range over here is completed. That's about it. इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है, एकदम सिंपल है. अगर लक अच्छा है तो एक सवाल इस पे आएगा ही आएगा, और ये आपका वो एक मार्क है जो आपको 4 गलत फेस करने का डेयरिंग देगा. कि ये एक मार्क पे आपके 4 गलत भी जा सकते. देखिए मैं ये नहीं कहता कि आंसर्स गलत नहीं जाएंगे, आंसर्स गलत जाएंगे, लेकिन ये इजी वाले जितने आप पकड़ लोगे ना उतना आपको रिस्क लेने का एक स्कोप मिलता है. बट इतना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कि रिस्क लेने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता. बट it gives you the strength, the guts to take that necessary risk. Please take screenshot. Please take screenshot.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Taken? Okay. Now, let's go towards another question. Now, this other question that we are having is the interesting question. Interesting question. Total frequencies of 3 series are 50, 60, and 90, and their means are 12, 15, and 20. Find the mean of their composite series. Solution. My dear friends, composite series is nothing but combined series. Always remember, combined mean is equal to right? If we apply this formula, now please understand total frequency. Now please read the question carefully. Read the data. What are they saying? Total frequency. What is the meaning of the word total frequency? The meaning of the word total frequency is summation f. What is the meaning of the word total frequency? Summation f. And always remember, summation f is nothing but n. My dear students, x bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f, where summation f is what? Is your n. So can I say summation f1 is equal to 50, summation f2 is equal to 60, summation f3 is equal to 90. Therefore, I can say n1, I can say n2, I can say n3. And their respective means x1 bar is 12, x2 bar is 15, and x3 bar is 20. Agreed or disagreed? Please tell me that. Agreed or disagreed? Please tell me that. Now combined is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar, the whole upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. I'll solve it over here. So what is n1? 50 multiplied by 12 plus 60 multiplied by 15 plus 90 multiplied by 20, the whole upon 50 plus 60 plus 90. The whole upon what? 50 plus 60 plus 90. So what will you get? Your answer 16.5. What is your answer? Your answer is 16.5. 73.33 is incorrect. Please recheck your calculations. 73.33 is incorrect. I request you to recheck your calculations. This is from November 2018. This is from November 2018. So please take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot of this. I hope you have all understood. I hope you have all understood. Next question. Next question. Again from November paper only. And I'm going to make you to solve this one. I'm going to make you to solve this one. Again, we are on November 2018. The variance of 5, 7, 9 and 11 is 4. Find coefficient of variation. Take a minute, think over it and solve. Take a minute, think over it and please solve. Give me the answer. I am waiting for your responses. I am waiting for your responses. $28.57. No, that is not the right answer. That is not the right answer. 28.57 is not the right answer. 25 is the right answer. Perfect. 25 is the right answer. Let us pay attention. Let us pay attention. 22, 25 is the right answer. Very good, Preet. Very good, Karan. Pay attention to where the mistake might have occurred. Let us pay attention. First of all, the variance of this data. So what is your data? This is your data. What is the variance? 4. Now, does variance have a relationship with standard deviation? Variance is equal to standard deviation square. Therefore, standard deviation is the square root of variance. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100. You need to calculate sigma, you need to calculate x bar. But here I calculated the sigma, sigma is 2. What is x bar? Simple. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 9, 21 plus 11 divided by 4. So what is your answer? Your answer here is 8. So coefficient of variation is equal to what? 2 divided by 8 into 100, which is equal to 25. Very easy, not at all complicated. Very easy, not at all complicated. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Next question from the same attempt only. Next question is from the same attempt. Again, interesting question. The question is, what is the standard deviation for the marks obtained by the student out of 50? The marks are 30, 20, 35, 25 and 15. Calculate the standard deviation. Calculate the standard deviation. Calculate the standard deviation. Now, my dear students, before you go ahead, let me tell you that standard deviation can be done in two ways. Summation of x square upon n minus x bar the whole square under root, or you can do it as summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon n. I always feel that this is an easier way of doing it. Now, please pay attention. There is no hack. Believe me, there is no hack. But there is a way of doing this on the calculator. There is a way of doing this on the calculator. Please do the following steps on the calculator. 30 into equal to, press M plus. 20 into equal to, press M plus. 35 into equal to, press M plus. 25 into equal to, press M plus. 15 into equal to, press M plus. Press MRC after the last M plus. So what are we looking at? 30 into equal to M plus, 20 into equal to M plus, 35 into equal to M plus, 25 into equal to M plus, 15 into equal to M plus, press MRC. When you press MRC, what you will get is 3375. What you will get is 3375. What is N? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now X bar. 20 plus 30, 50, plus 35, 85, plus 25, 100, plus 25, 125, divided by 5. What is this? This is equal to how much? X bar. What is X bar? 25. What is your X bar? X bar is how much? 25. Now, my dear friends, this divided by 5 minus 25 square. Right? Now, you have already calculated this and you have written this on a piece of paper. I understand. I understand. Now, do 3375 divided by 5. What is your answer? 675 minus 625. What is your answer?
50.
Root of 50.
7.
Options given in the question are as follows. What is the answer? Root of 50. What is the answer? Root of 50, which is of course 7.0710. Your answer is absolutely correct. Your answer is absolutely correct. Are you with me? Very simple question. And I don't think you should ever miss out on such a charity marks that the institute is giving. The institute is giving you charity marks. Please make sure that you are not missing out on that. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Now, there is one important chart for you to draw. Let me just locate it in my book, because I've come to that point where this chart has to be there. Yes. Yes. It's a very important chart. Mark this as very important. There is a distribution. If the distribution is moderately skewed, in such a scenario, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Agreed or disagreed?
Agree.
Yes, sir.
But if it is a symmetric distribution, mode is equal to median is equal to mean. This question has come in your, let me check. This has come in your June 2019 attempt. They asked you this question. So when will mode be equal to median is equal to mean? When the distribution is symmetric. So this is possible when the distribution is what? It is symmetric. Are you guys with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, one more question from June 2019. Now, see, in June 2019, they asked such questions. Now, the question is, in a moderately skewed distribution, mean and median are 12 and 8 respectively. Calculate mode. Calculate mode. Are you with me? Come on, guys. The formula is on your screen for you. Okay. Okay. Moderately skewed. So what is moderately skewed? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 arithmetic mean. Mean and median are given to you. Therefore, mode is equal to 3 multiplied by median, which is how much? 8 minus 2 multiplied by mean. Your mode is equal to 0. What is your mode equal to? Mode is equal to 0. Mode is equal to 0. Are you with me on that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Now,
Sir, taken.
what is the meaning of mode? Mode is that value in the data that appears most frequently. So if you are given a raw data, 8, 10, 12, 12, 16, 18, 24, 12, 36, 48, 12, 8, 10, 16, 18, 18, 25, 38, 12, 49, 51, 12, 18, 1, 8. What is the value that appears most frequently? What is the value that appears most frequently? 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. How many times 12 appears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18, 18, 18, 18. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4.
सर 3 टाइम 18 ना, वो 18 के बाद 1 फिर 8 है, ये 18 है
नहीं,
वो
वो 18 है, वो 18 लिखा है, ये 18 है, डोंट वरी। 18 ये कितने बार आएगा? 4 times. Look at 16. 1, 2. Look at 10. 1, 2, 3. It is clear. It is clear. That what is the most frequently appearing number? 12. It comes 6 times. So what is your mode? Now, suppose if I give you data like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 18, 24, 36, 30. हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सा है?
36.
Twenty to 30 is referred to as modal class. What is it referred to as? 20 to 30 will be referred to as modal class. Are you with me on that? Next. 36 will be referred to as F1. 30 will be referred to as F2. And 24 will be referred to as F0. Are you with me there? Yes or no? Please tell me that. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Mode is equal to L1. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by I. What is L1? L1 is the lower limit of the modal class. In our case, it is 20. What is this? L1. What is I?
10.
Length of class. Therefore, mode is equal to 20 plus 36 minus 24 upon 2 into 36 minus 24 minus 30 multiplied by 10. What answer are you getting? 36 to the 72 minus 24 minus 30 m plus 12 divided by MRC multiplied by 10 plus 20. Is your answer 26.67?
यस सर.
Therefore, this is your mode. Understanding? Yes or no? Correct? Now, please take a screenshot. What are we discussing here? Mode. What are we discussing here? We are discussing mode. Take a screenshot, please. Taken? Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Now, theory, concepts, and question for mode. Number 1. The highest frequency in a given set of data. Number 2. What is number 2? Please pay attention. Suppose in a given set of data, all the frequencies are same. In such a data, the mode cannot occur. In such a data, what cannot occur? In such a data, mode cannot occur. Are you with me on that? Yes or no? Please tell me. In such a data, what cannot occur? You cannot have a mode. Are you with me on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100%. Okay. This question, that mode cannot occur, was asked in the year December 2017 as a theory question. It was a theory question. Next, I am looking for one note that I have prepared. I would like you to apply your brain for this note. Yes, the superb note. So we are looking at this question comes to you from June 2016. And a similar question comes to you in January 2021. It was asked after a gap of 5 years. So the January 2021 question is also a good one. Generally, when such a question will come, बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. आप समझ नहीं पाओगे कि साला बोल क्या रहा है. देखिए और आपका दिमाग चलाइए. एक जूते की दुकान में, एक जूते की शोरूम में सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रिफर्ड जूते की साइज होगी, फॉर एग्जांपल 8 नंबर, 9 नंबर, ये इंडियन मार्केट में सबसे कॉमन जूते के साइज है 8 नंबर और 9 नंबर. आप कह सकते हो 7, 8 और 9 नंबर ये सबसे कॉमन है. सबसे कॉमन तो मान दो 8 नंबर, 8 और 9 नंबर सबसे कॉमन. So from the record on sizes of shoes sold in a shop, one can compute which value to determine the most preferred size of shoes. Most preferred size मतलब क्या? सबसे ज्यादा रखा जाने वाला साइज. ऑब्वियसली ये क्या होगा? मोड ही होगा. आप एक पॉपुलर डिजाइनर ऑफ क्लॉथ शोरूम में हो, वहां पे द साइज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर, वहां पे साइज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मतलब सबसे ज्यादा खरीदी जाने वाली साइज आज की तारीख में। अगर हम इंडियन मार्केट को देखें तो इंडियन कंज्यूमर के हिसाब से शर्ट साइज नंबर 40, शर्ट साइज नंबर 40 इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज शर्ट साइज इन द मार्केट, इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज शर्ट साइज इन द मार्केट। 40 और 42 सबसे कॉमन शर्ट साइज होते हैं। तो एक शोरूम जब होगी कपड़े की, कोई भी कपड़े की शोरूम आप देख लीजिए, पीटर इंग्लैंड देखो, यूएस पोलो एसोसिएशन देखो, कोई भी देखो, वहां पे सबसे ज्यादा स्टॉक किस साइज ऑफ शर्ट्स का होगा? 42 नंबर के और 40 नंबर के शर्ट्स का होगा। और उसमें भी सबसे ज्यादा कौन से कलर के शर्ट होंगे? व्हाइट शर्ट। क्योंकि अगर आप फॉर्मल शर्ट लेते हो तो सबसे पॉपुलर कलर उसमें क्या है? व्हाइट कलर। तो व्हाइट कलर 40 एंड 42 नंबर साइज आर दी मोस्ट हाईएस्ट स्टॉक्ड अप प्रोडक्ट्स। सो उनका ऑब्वियसली मीडियन ही कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा। तो हम यहाँ पे क्या देख रहे हैं? वी आर लुकिंग एट मीडियन इन दिस टू क्वेश्चंस। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? Are you understanding? Yes or no? Please tell me that. Guys,
Yes,
give me a
sir.
thumbs up if you have understood. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes or no? Guys, where are you? Thumbs up. Yes or no? Let's continue ahead. Screenshot ले लीजिए please. Calculate. Calculate. I'm giving you all a minute. I'm giving you all a minute. This question, again, it comes to you from, this is December 2016. Calculate and tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer.
Sir, option D.
Option D. Now, option D is the right answer. But before that, you must understand and appreciate. You must understand and appreciate that what is the relationship between these guys. So you know that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now look here, where can you find 3 median? Over here, it is mean minus mode is equal to 2 mean minus 2 median. अभी समझने की बात यह है कि मीडियन यहाँ पे 3 मीडियन प्लस आ रहा है, यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी 3 मीडियन ये मुझे नहीं दिखता, तो ये मेरे लिए हट जाता। अब ये वाला देखना जरा इंटरेस्टिंग है, यहाँ पे है मीन माइनस मीडियन इज इक्वल टू 3 मीन माइनस 3 मोड। यहां पर भी मुझे 3 मीडियन प्लस में कहीं नहीं आ रहा, उल्टा माइनस मीडियन में आ रहा है, ये भी गलत है। अब इसको देखते, मीन माइनस मीडियन इज इक्वल टू 2 मीन माइनस 2 मोड। इसमें भी मुझे 3 मीडियन कहीं भी नजर नहीं आ रहा, गलत। अब यहां देखते, मीन माइनस मोड इज इक्वल टू 3 मीन माइनस 3 मीडियन। चलो चलो, गनीमत है, 3 मीडियन तो दिख गया। चलो 3 मीडियन को मैं उस तरफ लेके जाता हूं। सो 3 मीडियन बराबर है 3 मीडियन प्लस मीन माइनस मोड इज इक्वल टू 3 मीन। चलिए हमारे फॉर्मूला में मोड को उस तरफ जाना है, तो 3 मीन प्लस मीन माइनस 3 मीन इज इक्वल टू मोड। मुझे मेरा फॉर्मूला दिखते हुए नजर आने लग गया है। ये 3 मीडियन है, सॉरी 3 मीडियन है। ये आपको हैंडराइटिंग समझ में आ रही है? ये यहां पे बन गया, राइट गाइस? समझ में आ रहा है आपको, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
You want me to rewrite this?
No, sir.
Fair enough. What is your answer? Option number D. What is your answer? Option number D. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. ये क्वेश्चन बाउंसर जाता है। ये क्वेश्चन देख के किस स्टूडेंट को समझ में आ रहा है कि उसको एक्चुअली करना है? मुझे ऑनेस्टली बताइए। ये क्वेश्चन देख के किस स्टूडेंट को ऑनेस्टली पता चल रहा है कि मतलब मुझसे क्या पूछा गया है, मैं क्या करूंगा, फलाना ढिमका। जरा आपके थॉट्स समझने की कोशिश करूंगा। बताइए आप में से किसको क्या समझ में आता है कि क्या करने की जरूरत है इस क्वेश्चन। अरिथमेटिक मीन एंड कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन एक के दिए हुए, आपको पूछता है वेरिएंस क्या है। यस प्रीत, प्लीज टेल मी।